Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And on today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at our tools here, and we're going to be trying to get them a little more organized here to help us out here in the shop. So stick around if you'd like to check it out. All right, you guys. So this week, what I've been working on right here is trying to get some things organized in my tool chest. Most of the time, I'm grabbing stuff out of here, tossing it back. It turns into a mess after a while right here. So I wanted to try and do something about that. So I started with my hardware, my miscellaneous hardware, like screws, nuts, bolts, stuff like that right there. What I decided to do was to do individual little boxes. I started off, I found a model online for free. I printed it out. It was a little too big, so I played around with it and kind of scaled it down a little bit right here. So, but now I have these boxes right here that I have all my parts in, and if I need to, I can pull them out. I can take them with me to go work on stuff, and then when I'm done, I can just drop it right back in there. So I started off with this drawer. Overall, I'd say it turned out pretty well. And then after this drawer, I decided to go on ahead and move up to my upper drawer, which has a lot of screwdrivers and just miscellaneous stuff in there that I use as well. So I did the same thing. I went online, I found some files. These files right here actually are for screwdriver holders for Klein screwdrivers that I found online. So I downloaded it. It prints in an upper section and a lower section, so I went ahead and printed these out. And since my Kleins are my biggest screwdrivers in here, I just use this for all of them. And I gotta say, it's working really well for the screwdrivers here. So did that first, and then I kind of went in and measured across the distances that I wanted for the other boxes to hold, like my markers and erasers and mirrors, stuff like that. So again, just kind of went through and just kind of thought it out and got them all printed up right here. And then my latest one that I was doing right here is for my pliers and clamps and hammers and files and stuff. I found a really cool model that organizes all of your pliers kind of vertically like that right there. And then I printed another box here for my chisels and for my clamps and for files, and I have a spare one for miscellaneous stuff right there. So slowly but surely it's getting a bit more organized in here, and I think this will really help out in the long run, especially when I'm going to grab stuff. I know exactly where it is, where it goes back. Hopefully it'll kind of help keep the toolbox a bit more organized right here. So this is what I've been doing this past week right here. Just thought I'd share it with you guys. So I thought you guys might like it. Yeah, so we're going to continue on. My next drawer that I have to do down here is going to be like sockets and wrenches and some extra stuff I'm going to get taken care of for in here. So all right guys, so that's going to be it for the video for this week. So it's a little bit of a shorter one right here. We're waiting on some parts to get some stuff in right here for some other projects that we're going to be doing here. So we'll definitely be jumping back into that hopefully pretty soon here. Also, let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this kind of content, with the tools, the organizational stuff, 3D printing the stuff, to organize it all, let me know what you guys think about that. I'd be curious about it. Again, hope you guys liked the video though. If you did, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out, and we'll see you on the next project. Thanks.